Wow. 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 Finally got some homework done. Chilled, relaxed, and about to head to the gym. Haven't worked out in a few days. And honestly, I don't remember how the gym looks like inside, but probably gonna do a mix of everything and see how it is. Oh wow. Oh hell yeah. That's good enough. Oh! That's nice. Okay, so it's pretty good. So they got a little ab machine, like you do sit-ups, some rows for cardio, some hamstring and some quads, some bench, some back, and a bunch of cardio exercises. Followed by we got free weights right here. So what do you want me? What pose do you want to do? Show him. Show him. Just show him. Just show him. So we're trying to do that pose right there. So let's try and do that. Put it right. That's fine. Okay. So look at her. So I'm grabbing you like that. Chest out. Like that? That's how you do a pose. When you block, just like, don't go like that. Just like walk more like that. Just take it like that. Yes. So cover your, when you have your hands, just have them like right here. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1. 2, 2. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. Alright, 1, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Nice. 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. Huh? No. Very good. Don't be like.
What did I do to you?
Your hands are like, oh shit. So we just got done with the gym. One of the staff here at Centara wanted to use, I think that's me, for their website for the gym. So we're doing a bit of the video, and no, actually we're doing some of the photos. However, some of the photos didn't match because I was wearing flip-flops. So we're going to back to the room and just get some flip-flops so it looks good for the photo. So.
In between the two ropes.
So nice. Look at your game face. Oh my goodness.
The other one. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good too.
Light, it's like that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I took
Shutter speed's low.
Yeah.
Right. Unless you have a lens with a low aperture, you can get it sharper.
Yeah. But the thing is, like this kind of shot, I can't take like 2.8 also. I have 1.8 also. But
You can.
from 1.8, I don't think only the ones I focused it will be showing, right?
Yeah.
So this kind of shot, I
You need the whole thing. Yeah, you need to show these f8 to 14 at least.
Thank you.
That's it? Okay, yeah, no problem. Thank you. Sunset. That's so low. Or not too hot. Not very hot. Yeah, once in my time. Wait.
Just be steady.
Oh, okay.
We don't hold myself.
Do you trust me? The wall. Oh, jeez. I can't. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. Oh, shit. Oh, what the wall's so salty. Oh, no. Oh, jeez. What day is it again? Day 2, day 3? I don't remember
Day
anymore.
2.
Day 2.
Or is it 3?
Oh, watch out,
it's
watch out, baby.
3.
You.
Thank you. It looks so peaceful.
Yeah, the clouds look better. They get better and better, honestly. I want to do time lapse of like the clouds. Cue in the time lapse right now. And I can't get enough of like how nice the clouds are. Gonna go back to the room, change, and we'll go on the other side, right? Same side.
What?
Same side we were at last time. Oh.
Oh my god, I'm so full.
You want to rest a little bit before we get out? Yeah. So yeah, like what Pia said, day 3. No, day 2. My bad. Day 2.
Is it day 2? I don't even
Technically,
know.
it's day 3 because the first day,
You got here was
it was the the one we ate pasta.
yeah.
Yeah, today was day
yes,
2,
it's day
so
2.
day 3 is today. So we're halfway there.
Yeah, we have 3 more days.
Yeah, but yeah, so we just ate breakfast. We kind of ate there late, but it's all good though. We got really full though.
We got our favorite chicken sausage.
I know. They're chicken sausage, the crepes, whatever you call it. Crepes. It's pretty good. What else is pretty good?
The salmon.
The salmon. Yeah, smoked salmon's pretty good. And their omelet. Their omelet is pretty fire actually. So we got pretty much full. About to chill at the room and rest a little bit so we can swim later. And like I said, guys, this view never gets old. I'll be crying by the time I leave. But yeah, back. Ooh, the AC feels so good in here. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.
So good because it's so hot outside.
Yeah, and look at our mess, you guys. Like,
Don't show them.
it's all good. We're not like a perfect, couple. There's gonna be some.
Oh, how come? We're perfect.
Oh, now you act like that. Oh my gosh, but.
Ocean